Big excavator getting a big scoop. That guy's checking some of the stuff it's scooping up. Look at how small that guy is next to that huge excavator bucket. Huh, what's he giving the driver? I got over here another excavator on top of a hill. Big scoops. Moving all that dirt. Big scoops. What's that sign say? It says, danger, construction area, keep out. Because there's big excavators working. Boom. There's a front loader over there. Backing up. There's the excavator. There's the front loader. Construction workers walking around wearing hard hats. There goes the big excavator. Oop, that guy's getting off the front loader. There goes the excavator. They're driving around. Big branches they cut down and roots. Wow, look at all this action. What's that excavator doing back there? Oop, digging up. There we go. All right. Well, we'll let these guys get back to work.